grateful where I am. And thank you for all your love because of you, I am where I am today. And thank you. And mwah, that's all.
That love you give us on Instagram and we take it with all our might. Thank you for those beautifully inspirational positivity ka bhandar wale videos. Being #1 actress, do you want to say something to everyone who is being toying you and saying this is the #1 actor in a really long time of your kind of art?
Ma'am, the way you're saying it, no, I'm feeling a lot of pressure right now. Like, I'm like, should I give like very inspirational answer or motivational answer? I don't know. But thank you for saying that, sir. Wait.
We're all waiting.
Sorry. No, thank you for saying that. But I feel like I honestly have just started because I don't know what this whole #1 situation is, because we're doing films in the South, we're doing films in Bollywood. Yeah. So I don't know what this race is about, but I know for sure that I'm just starting.
One more question by Bartaman. I will give it to sir as well. Debabrati Bhattacharya wants to ask you, after the huge success of pan-India movies like Pushpa, Animal, you are the pan-India queen. Let's make some noise for that, yeah? What is your take on pan-India movies, and also what is your biggest takeaway from this movie?
I think we should actually have this point where all of you guys are answering. You know, I think it'll be a cool mix-up. Henna? Huh?
We love you.
What? I didn't hear. Say it again now.
Love you.
Be nice.
They're always nice to you because you're so nice to them.
No, but this film, sir. Sir?
Twinkle, twinkle, superstar, bol rahe hain wo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You're too special. Thank
That's
you.
Chaitanya sir who was telling me earlier on, Naga sir, that your son's name.
Om Namah Shivaya. எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good afternoon everybody. ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் உங்களை எல்லாம் பார்த்ததுல எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். எனக்காக இங்க வந்திருக்கீங்க. எப்படி நன்றி சொல்றேனே தெரியல. ரொம்ப நன்றி. வந்ததுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. My sincere thanks to I don't know Hindi. I can talk in English. Little bit that too. Kindly adjust.
So the question, and you looking there, is
You liked her? We'll speak in full Butler English today.
no crimer, no timer, whatever.
No crimer, no timer, no waste timer.
Ayo!
You only have to complete it, ma'am.
Rashmika, I have no words for the exuberance that you bring on screen, despite being as simple as you are. एक इंसान मुझे बताओ जो आपके प्यार में नहीं है. Does everyone love Rashmika? So here's the question.
जी बोलिए.
आपने सब सुपरस्टार्स और यहाँ तो सुपर डुपर स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है, लेकिन इससे पहले कि हम इन पे आए, एक कैरेक्टर आपके जैसे इतनी वैरायटी करने वाले को कॉल आउट करता है, एंड दिस सीम्स वेरी डिफरेंट, एंड दिस सीम्स अ वेरी डिफरेंट साइड ऑफ शेखर एज वेल. तो क्या था वो जिसकी वजह से आपने हाँ कहा?
पहले तो हाय एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप? सब ठीक ठाक? ऑल गुड? चलो ठीक है. हाँ, தமிழ்ல பேசணுமா? இங்க வந்து தமிழ்ல பேசுனேன்னா the Hindi media will be like, what, we don't understand anything. So okay வா உங்களுக்கு? Looks like there's a lot of Tamil crowd we have.
You can go part, it's all good.
Okay, why don't we just speak in English so that it's easier for me?
जी.
Okay va? So what was your question again?
What was the character in this movie that attracted you कि मैं इसको करना चाहती हूँ?
I think basically I wanted to work with Shekhar sir, and I wanted to work with Dhanush sir and Nag sir. Like, we have this entire, like, we've baked this cake and we have put a icing on the cake, and now we have a cherry on the cake. So it's going to be a full-on delicacy by the time the film releases. So,
but there's something very different about your character. Let's be honest.
See, some days you will have to be Geetanjali, some days you have to be Srivalli, some days you have to be Maharani Yesubai, and some days you have to be her.
So without giving away too much,
जी,
क्या हमने आपको पहले इस अवतार में देखा है जो आप दिखाने वाली है कैरेक्टर वाइज?
नहीं. I think, you know, I'm someone who like fully surrenders to my directors. And that is the beauty of it, क्योंकि like directors, each directors have their own flavor. तो इसीलिए I'll, you know, somehow sort of get to play such variety of characters. And she is extremely different. She is, as in, I can't reveal too much, but it's going to be a very, very exciting and a different character.
But there is one thing that is not different,
Ji.
is your streak to work with the best of best. We have two heavyweights here we love. And आपके character a little bit, because we can see what you're doing and what you're going through, and it's giving us some pangs and pain. Please tell us, कुछ भी.
I play a beggar. Yeah. I did a lot of research, homework. I stood in the sun. All those are lies. I didn't do anything. So I just went there. I just had to follow my director. Shekhar sir was brilliant. He taught me like the nuances, what to do, how to do the slang. So he made life very easy for me. It's a very different film, very different character from what I've played before. So I really enjoyed the challenge. I really enjoyed working in this film.
आपने शेखर जी को white angel बुलाया है, white-hearted angel from heaven. Can you tell us a little bit about him? You know, because he's not here, Raj. So.
That pretty much describes everything I feel. Shekhar sir is a fantastic human being. You will not meet a person like him. So clean, so pure, and such a good-hearted man. I mean, you make a lot of films, you do a lot of films, you meet a lot of people, but it's when you meet like somebody like Shekhar Kamula is when you feel, the travel is worth it. So it's because of this man I did this film. He narrated me just 20 minutes. I loved his energy. I loved his positivity, his approach, his honesty towards making his films or as a human being. So Shekhar is a great person, yes.
Speaking of a movie, कुछ moments आपके साथ forever रह जाते हैं, and you can't let go of them.
Yeah, me and Rashmika shot in a dump yard for about 6 hours, 7 hours, and Rashmika was fine. And I was, Rashmika, what is this? And Rashmika, sir, I can't smell anything. I still don't know. So many things like that. But it was not like a...
Ask you to pass that mic to Dalip ji. Be like, he's gotten a new lease with this one. Dalip sir, we've been a huge fan. You're fantastic when it comes to your speech.
Thank you.
Is there one?
Second time playing my father as well.
Woo! There is some.
That's a huge privilege.
There is some uncanny resemblance beyond just the.
But I'm a little confused now which language to speak in. तो अगर आपको हिंदुस्तानी समझ में आती तो मैं हिंदुस्तानी में बोलूँगा या अंग्रेजी में बोलूँगा जैसे आपकी मर्जी.
Dalip sir, mix it all. I would
तो
say.
अंग्रेजी में ही बोलता हूँ मैं. हिंदी में बोलूँ, ठीक है. देखिए ये पिक्चर मेरे लिए बहुत ख़ास पिक्चर है और मेरी पहली बार है जो मैं शेखर कमूला साहब के साथ काम कर रहा हूँ. जब उन्होंने मेरी कहानी सुनाई तो बहुत पसंद आया मुझे और उससे बड़ी बात क्या है कि मुझे नाग जी, रश्मिका, धनुष जी, जिम और इतने अच्छे लोगों के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला. तो मेरा सौभाग्य है कि मैं इस फिल्म में हूँ. मैं अपने प्रोड्यूसर जानवी को भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कहना चाहूँगा और बाकी जो हमारे प्रोड्यूसर साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं. और मेरी विनती है कि आप लोग इस पिक्चर को देखें क्योंकि हर भाषा में है तो आपको कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी, चाहे आप तेलुगु बोलते हैं या तमिल बोलते हैं. तो बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आप सबका यहाँ आने का, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. एंड आई विश द फिल्म एवरी सक्सेस.
Dalip sir, in this beautiful journey for over the years that you've had, is there a moment in this film that you will carry with you forever?
Yeah, I will, because the moment for me was to meet this wonderful gentleman, Nag, again, Mr. Nagarjun, after many years. I met him, I'll give it away, almost about 30 years ago. I met Mr. Nagarjun, and when I saw him on the set, he hasn't aged even one day. I was like, ये कौन जवान आदमी कौन आ गया यार, ये तो नाग जैसे लगता है लेकिन था ही वो. It's been a huge pleasure to be with this wonderful star cast. Thank you.
Would you please give him the mic and let's ask
Yes,
him
of course.
कैसे हैं ये ageless, the #1 star of South? How have you managed to stay this fit and ageless? How, sir? We can't give away some trade secrets, I believe there. Is it?
I'll just be, it's just a joke. Don't take it seriously. Okay, it's just that everybody around me aged. I stayed. Okay.
But before we leave, everybody, should we? आपको याद है वो गाना तुम मिले दिल खिले? आपको याद है? Nag sir, you've done some phenomenal films in Hindi And we want to see you come back there. You still have that charm. You still have that presence. You still have that heart. When do we see you?
What do you mean I still have that charm?
It never left you, did it? No, I mean to say is, when are you
Just wanted
going
to correct that.
when are you going to come back and show us
Yes,
a bit of that magic?
course. No, all these films, these are all meant to be Hindi films. After this, I have another film called Coolie that is also going to be releasing in Hindi. And I have been working in Hindi films for so long. And especially, I think I've worked in more of my South dubbed films into Hindi, which were appreciated quite a bit here up here. And that's what they talk about. And now in the mainstream too. So it's fantastic. I never felt this difference. I never felt it.
Neither did we. We just want to see you back romancing the way you did back
I'm
then.
here. When did I say I left? I'm always here.
Thank you. For the co-producers, would you like to say something? Kubera is special to all the actors.